Good morning traders, Tuesday 19 July, just around 9:30 a.m. It's been a while since the previous video, my apologies for that. I want to take you guys through two trades that are currently running on my platform. First of them being the Australian dollar, US dollar. Now don't worry if you can't see all the fine details on the screen. I'll be placing all of the various levels in the description box below, so just have a look. If you want to enter these trades as well, I'll provide the levels in the description box. Now on the Australian dollar, US dollar, what happened was last night before I went to bed, I placed two pending orders, both at the same level, both sell orders, shorting the market. As you can see, one of them is still running. That's where I entered the market, right on that green dotted line over there. This red dotted line that you see over here is the trailing stop that was placed for this profit level over here. Now, what was this trade based on? Very simply, this trend line break of the inner trend line over here, expecting the market to at least reach the medium-term trend line over here, which it has, and it has banked profit over there. The second trade, which was placed at exactly the same entry, which is the one that is still running, I placed that trade's profit level at the long-term outer trend line over here, and then set its trailing stop or its stop loss to a trailing stop, which is currently sitting over there. And as you can see, the market has quite strongly and decisively come through this trend line over here. It is not an official trend line break. If you wanted to enter this trade now, it's not an official trend line break just yet, simply because in this instance you don't yet have two candles on this side of the trend line no longer touching the trend line. But as you can see, first trade banked, second trade now approaching the profit level quite nicely. The second one, which I think you guys can enter if you so wish, and this trade's details will also be in the description box below, is on the US dollar Swiss franc, looking at the 4-hour chart. Again, a trade based on a trend line break. Inner trend line running over here, inner upward trend line running over here. And on this one, I've actually placed three separate trades. First one with a profit level over there, the second one with a profit level over there, and the third one with a profit level over there. All three of them with the same stop loss level over there. And as you can see, I placed the first take profit level at the first previous level where the market is expected to go to. The second one at a second previous level where the market is expected to go to. And you can see it's quite a strong level over there. It's been tested over there previously. And then the final profit level just within the parameters of this trend line over here. Now again, these details will be available in the description box below, and if you guys so wish, I'd say it's okay if you want to enter this trade, but please be careful with your lot sizes. Make sure that you manage your capital risk effectively. As you can see, I'm already into a bit of a profit on this trade, but it's not too late for you guys to enter this trade if you so wish. More detailed overviews will follow again from tomorrow, but now you can see the two trades that I'm currently running. And as I say, this one especially, the US dollar Swiss franc, you can enter if you so wish. Now guys, in the description box below will be not only the levels for these trades, there'll also be an email address. If you want to join our little group of traders, just pop me an email to that email address and I'll get right back to you. Thanks guys, and as always, trade safe.